So how do you stay that feeling of on fire for God so that you motivate and inspire people? That's important as well. So I do that for individuals. But what about the other side of it? What about other things? When it comes to relationship building, I've been married for over a decade. I've got children, got grandchildren. And it's an amazing thing. You have to know how to grow relationships, especially intimate relationships. I can help grow individuals in those areas. Well, what about how to hear the voice of God? I help individuals with that. I have a specific strategy that I can share about how to hear the voice of God. Well, what about finding your purpose? I do that as well. So those are the areas that I shine in. So if you need an individual in that area, reach out to me. Connect with me on the Contact Me tab, and I will return and get back with you within one business day. Our flow in excellence, right? And so I appreciate you. I appreciate you. And remember this, you're precious to God, and you're precious to me. I'll talk to you later. Bye.